What's up, guys? It's just another day. Today we're gonna do a different video. I'm trying to do more photography content for this channel. So today we're gonna try something new, which is POV of me taking photos and street photography kind of stuff. I personally really like street photography. You could check all of the stuff on my Instagram, which is link in bio, or at Gwyneth Lee. So yeah, also because it snowed today and I was planning it to be snowing while filming this, so the camera's wrapped in plastic bag, but I don't think it's snowing anymore, so I think we're good. So yeah, see you later.
I feel very unprofessional right now, mostly because I have no idea what I'm doing. This is a hotel right here. I'm gonna try to get a picture of that without my plastic bag. There are reflective surfaces, so like water and stuff. So let's try to get some of that. Should we wait for another bus? Would that be wise? I don't think that would be very wise. It would be much better if there was snow, but you know, have to deal with the situation. You can see right here, right? Oh, right here. These turned out pretty bad, to be honest. Okay. Let's go somewhere else. It looks pretty interesting with the tree right here in the background, because like it's all snowy and whatsoever, right? So I think I'm gonna take a picture of that. Okay. But the building is bigger in the background, so I don't really want that. There's also building on both sides. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a picture of this little tree, the bench, put a little foreground right here in the bush. So it might be blocking your view a little bit. To be honest with you, I've never took pictures here before. I lived here for like around here. I lived here for a while now. Last May. Of where you live first, but I've never taken pictures here, and it's frankly quite interesting. I'm literally in the bush right now. Just the path is like it's pretty. I'll pick the one where like no, I do not want to touch each other. Yeah. So street is it's different, you know? Here is a bus. You know, if I would recommend to watch North Borders. I saw him in 7th Era, this one of the videos. That's basically where I kinda got the idea from. Yeah, they're pretty interesting. North Border loves to, or Mike, he loves to take pictures of trams, but it doesn't really stress him. But there aren't trams around here. I don't live in downtown, so there's that, but yeah, there's stuff here. So this, the hill right here in front of me, looks pretty nature. Like, what is it? It's not that like a urban scenery, more like nature scenery and stuff. Yeah, so I'm gonna go here. Also, if you didn't know, in Canada, there's a lot of geese, and it is poop everywhere. So every Canadian kid can play this game where you dodge the poop, and yeah, there's a person here. That reliable. It has not been reliable. So like I went to this trip with this class. This is the class that I took, outdoor ed, and I tried to film stuff, but it just wasn't recording or anything. There's something about benches. Maybe that should be my mark. North Florida got the tram, so I got the bench. That was not bad. This is pretty natural to me, to be honest. I do take pictures. Like, I do talk to myself when I take pictures. That lady is just sort of... I don't want her to be there this time. I think I could turn down my shutter speed a little to like 200. I don't want to turn too much of my ISO up because my ISO is not reliable. Like, it's gonna make the thing so noisy. Even with the Lightroom noise, what is it called? Noise reduction? Something about noise, right? I thought that is pretty bad. Again, with another bench. Also, I set the settings. I don't know if you guys want the settings with this, but like, I'm shooting manual, by the way, if you didn't know, or if you wanted to know, but there's so much, there's so much trash here. I'm gonna go around over there later on to take pictures from that side to this side. I don't honestly don't know which one is better, but yeah, that. I post them before this, but I just checked them out. Honestly, those vlog qualities isn't that good because for some reason, with last year before summer to now, my skills and everything improved so much. I think it's because I haven't done anything else except like go take pictures or whatever. So with that help, I was able to improve a lot right within 1 year. Remember when I talked about outdoor ed? That was like a few years ago, honestly. With that, all the pictures I took there were on auto, so it was bad, like horrible quality. I tried to take portraits last year. I'll show them on the screen around now. Yeah, so I tried to take these portraits, and they're all in focus, all in auto. And honestly, I'm such a horrible photographer last year. I don't know what I thought I was, but it's different, you know, different vibes. I actually learned how to use manual. To be honest, I thought manual was going to be much harder than it is, but it really isn't. You see that picture right there? It's not letting me zoom in. Come on, plastic bag. I'll just crop it in right now. Ice skating ring, by the way. The famous YouTuber, Maddie, he hangs out around here a lot, but, you know, it's pretty cool. I met him, like, I met him and took a picture of him, which is shown right here, right now, with him for, like, the first time I saw him, and not gonna lie, I forgot who he was. I, like, used to watch his content a lot, and then I kind of sort of gave up, like, my photography and videography for a while because I just wasn't feeling the motivation and whatsoever. So I stopped it, and I stopped watching all the filmmaker YouTubers, which is probably pretty bad. So I forgot his name, and I was like, wait, is his name Chris or something? Because Chris Howe is another filmmaker I got all of them messed up. I'm pretty sure he heard me, which is pretty bad. I'm sorry if he's watching this, which is not because I got loose. What's up, guys? Anyways, so sorry about that, but yeah, I met him, and then I went to McDonald's across the street once, and I saw him there too. And the cookie shop Felix in North, bro, that place is so good, and like he recommended it too, you know. Okay, there's people walking over there. I'm trying to get him. Also on TikTok, I've been seeing these. Sorry that we're breathing really loud. Yeah, almost fell. I've been watching these TikToks with these people who are like going up to random strangers to take pictures of them. And I'm gonna say it's pretty sus. Oh no. Got to be kidding me. These trees, pretty nice, I would say. Let me just make sure. It's like the perfect. Okay. I'll have a few. It's curved, man. Let's just take a picture of it, anyways, because you don't know what you're getting close. What else I said? I don't remember. Perfect street right there. bought my gloves or something. But I mean, we are learning for next time. Ooh, our cans up. Super shotgun. Sometimes I'd rather zoom in than go closer. It's not because I'm lazy. Well, maybe I am, but I don't know. But it's because if it's too wide, it's not nice. Like, you know how 50 to around 100, 200 is the best for faces because it doesn't stretch your face out or compress it too much, right? So I don't want to compress most of my image, right? That's not it. The wider it is, the more stretched out the image is, right? So for landscape, you want a wide lens. And for portraits, you should choose around 35 for like a big photo, 50 or 50-85 for like portraits, right? I got a 50mm lens, but however, as I said, saving first. But because I have a crop sensor. My camera's Canon T7i, like Rebel T7i, just if you were wondering. And this camera's like quote for beginners or whatever, right? But it's pretty good to be honest. I'm gonna use it for a long time. Probably a while before I get a new one because I don't need a new one. But anyways, as I was saying, because it's a crop sensor, it crops it in, so a 50 is like around 80. But that's fine too. I just hope I don't slip here though. I'm just gonna turn on the exposure and close, man. These all should be on. I said it's on. The button, where it is. But I want to get into photography, kinda, not really. There's like I don't like actual photography. I just want to throw that out here. I hope they don't mind picture of me coming. It was headlight, man. It's so bright. It's a cloudy day. I can start doing rain photography now. So I'm gonna start doing rain photography because I have this Mustang guy. I don't know, but the perfect if someone was right under that lamp and or just like that's the one. I knew that this was true. I already told you that, but there's a lot of cars, so not that talk for a while. I don't know if you're interested because I have not figured out unique editing like style for myself yet, but For instance, I'm gonna walk away. Look at this tree. Alright, now. We have clean back already. I'm sorry about that. Look at that. See? Nighttime. Looks good. Oh, shit. It's 12 blood populous city. That's not an exaggeration. How should it look? So hard to say. You gotta go like the How did you saw that? Oh, they not. It was pretty high. There was two birds. Did not take a picture of it though. Big brain. If I were to rank this, I would call it the peace in a city. All these lampposts, it would become the same thing. Like all these benches, the peace within a city, you can just see like traffic and like buildings behind it. I think it's pretty good. What you guys prefer me to not see? Comment down below or something, I don't know. Because I don't mind not talking. We definitely get more. So that's it for today. Have a good day. Okay, that's it for today. Always remember, follow your dreams and like